Hey there, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Windows Installer Error Code 2755. This error usually pops up when you're trying to install a program and Windows can't access the installation files properly. Don't worry, the fix is easier than you think. Let's start with the most common cause. Permissions. If the installer doesn't have enough rights, the error 2755 might show up. First, right-click the setup file of the application you're trying to install and choose Run as Administrator. This gives it the proper permissions to work. Still getting the error, then the installer file might not be in a secure location. Try moving the file to your desktop or the root of your C drive and run it from there. Alright, now here is another fix. Making sure the Windows installer service is running. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog, then type services.mac and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down to Windows Installer, right-click it, then click Start or Restart if it's already running. If it's disabled, go into Properties, set the startup type to Manual or Automatic, and then hit Start. And here is a bonus step. If your setup file is inside a zip or compressed folder, make sure to extract it first before running it. Running installers directly from inside a zip file can cause this exact error. If the issue still doesn't go away, double-check that your user account has administrative privileges. Finally, make sure your system is up to date. Sometimes an outdated system or corrupted update can cause install errors. Alright, that should do it. If one of these steps helped you fix the problem, leave a like and consider subscribing for more quick tech solutions. And if you're still stuck, drop a comment below with what you have tried, and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your install.